Denton County Precinct chairs. We just had our first shipment of items for the auction from the Bed Bath & Beyond gift registry. I want to lead you through it. I know some of you may have never used a gift registry. Very simple. You'll click on this website that's available to you. I'll click on that. We'll see what happens. Registry comes up here. It's a Denton County GOP Lincoln Reagan dinner silent auction donations. It's going to be closing in 112 days, hoping to get as many items as I can in by that date, which is 1st of November. I would suggest that you go over to this tab, click the arrow, remaining purchases. If you want to see what's been purchased, you can click on that, and these are some of the things that we received today. Let's see. There's 5 of them. This one. So those are the ones that have come in today. And if you want to go to the remaining items, this will give you a glimpse of all the ones that still can be purchased. I have 1 in lighting, 7 home decor, and so on. So if you're interested in those, you can also come up and by category do price. So if you have a price range that you want to spend, if you want to, it starts out at the lowest amount at $2.99, and you can browse through all the items that I've picked on here. Another thing, feel free to order something that's not necessarily one that I picked out. So have fun with this. I hope you will do it soon, and we're excited to have this opportunity to make such easy purchases. It goes straight to the headquarters. We log them in. We can check them off by looking at the registry. It seemed like it's going to be a really easy step for us to get items in, get them early, and make it convenient for you guys too. So I hope you'll go to our Bed Bath & Beyond registry and order something today. Thank you. Keep Denton red.